So Russia just called up the American Secretary of State, and the message was really not warm greetings. It was essentially get your people out of Kiev now. Now, Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, a man who has turned diplomatic ice coldness into a lifestyle, got on the phone with Marco Rubio and officially notified Washington that Russia is preparing a systematic and consistent strike on Ukraine's capital. Not a threat, an announcement. The distinction, it really matters. Russia says it's targeting decision making centers and command posts, which sounds clinical, surgical even, except they also said the facilities are scattered across Kiev, a city of 3 million people. So, diplomatic language for a very undiplomatic reality. Lavrov told Rubio that the foreign nationals, diplomats, international staff, everyone should leave. So now, over the past few days, Kiev was hit with what witnesses call one of the biggest missile barrages since this war began. So this is not the kind of warning you fold up and put it into a drawer. Now, so where does the peace deal stand? Nowhere. Rubio said just a few days back that US-led negotiations had ended. His exact framing? Not truthful. This is what Washington speak for. We sat in rooms, nothing happened, we went home. This, after Trump had told the world repeatedly, confidently, with that particular brand of presidential optimism that he'd end the war in a day. That was before the election. Today, the war is 3 years and 3 months old. Day one has yet to arrive. Both Trump and Putin had just weeks ago expressed hope that the end was close. 2 men, 1 war, 0 agreement on how to stop it. And Rubio has put it bluntly. This war will not end with a military victory on either side. It needs negotiated settlement. And right now, there are no negotiations. So we have a city being wanted to evacuate, a peace process that isn't, and a phone call where Russia told America, not asked, told what's coming next. The question isn't whether Kiev will be hit. It's what the world does while it watches. And that's all for today. This is me, Riya Gaithar, signing off for Times Now Digital.